Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you what another very popular VS Code theme, which just go to the extensions tab and just type here AU Monokai. It's developed by this person and got 17,000 installs. So once you activate this theme will be activated. As you can see, it's having a nice little color combination. It is little bit dark, but if you prefer dark themes, then you will definitely like this theme. From my personal preference, it is little bit dark for me, but if you like this theme, definitely install it and start using it. As you can see, the color combination is very much good. So AU Monokai, this is a theme here. Definitely install and start using it. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.